Are you aware of the difference between digitization, digitalization, and digital transformation? Although these three terms look similar, but they have different meaning. So let's explore the difference between these three terms in this video. Hey folks, welcome back to Learn Transformation. And if you're not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Digitization, digitalization, and digital transformation are three terms we use for so many years, but often in the wrong sense. Many people confuse them with each other, but it's not that hard to learn and understand the difference. So let's understand it in simple words with examples. Digitization is a straightforward term which essentially refers to taking analog information and encoding it into zeros and ones so that computers can store, process, and transmit such information. Digitalization. Unlike digitization doesn't have a single clear definition. Digitization and digitalization are two conceptual terms which are closely associated and often used interchangeably. Digital transformation initiatives will typically include several digitalization projects, but executives that believe that there is nothing more to digital transformation than digitalization are making a profound strategic mistake. Let's explore the difference between digitization, digitalization, and digital transformation. According to Gartner's IT Glossary, digitization is a process of changing from analog to digital form. And digitalization refers to improved process by leveraging digital technologies and digitized data. So you can say digitalization presumes digitization. For example, PLC logic or PID control in a microprocessor based system. Digitization refers to creating a digital representation of physical objects. For instance, we scan a paper document and save it as a digital document, for example, PDF. Digitalization uses digital technologies to change a business model and provide new revenue and value producing opportunities. So it's a process of moving to a digital business. In reality, digital transformation requires the organization to deal better with change. So on a final note, digitization refers to creating a digital representation of physical objects. Digitalization refers to improved process by leveraging digital technologies and digitized data. And digital transformation is really business transformation enabled by digitalization. Thanks for watching right till the end. I really hope you like this video. And please provide any comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it. You can also visit our website and also follow us on other social media handles. Till then, take care. Have a good one.